Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 27 Elizabeth. So today we have 3 toys. It might not look like it, but we have Knight Rider, Jurassic World car, and Ghostbuster car. So the first thing I want to start with is the Jurassic World one, because I kind of like Jurassic World dinosaurs. So this is from the first movie, and on the back of the package, it also shows like one of the balls in the Jurassic World movie. This is really from Jurassic Park, but hard to open. Can someone hand me some scissors? Thanks. So there's this like really cool green car. It rolls really nicely off the table. Oh, wreck. Oof. So it's a greenish car with like red like blood on it, I guess, from like dinosaur. All the windows are sealed shut, and there's a window roof kind of thingy at the top. I don't know what those are called. There's a back window. Like there's this like thingy in the front. I guess that's like a guard. And there's obviously no license plate. And yeah, and it says Jurassic Park on it, so that's how we know it's not from Jurassic World. Anyway, so that's one of the toys. And now we're going to go to Knight Rider because, so looks interesting. Who just sent that shopaholic through my video? Really? Shopaholic. Anyway, so there's this really nice, like, slick black car. It's kind of like, I don't know, it like, oof. Sorry, Thunder. Thunder's my cat, and I just stepped on him, so hope he doesn't mind. It's kind of like a purplish, and like in like certain lighting, and it's like, it kind of feels like more fragile than like this like car. I don't know. Tell me which one you guys like in the comments better. But that's not it. We still have one more car. This is the Ghostbuster car. It's kind of a van-ish, but let's get into it. I have razor sharp nails, so yeah. Can somebody hand me the scissors again? Oh, hey, never mind, got it. I'll just, you know. Oh, wait, no, I don't. Thanks for the scissors, assistant. Fail! So if you guys were wondering what this is like a little like, I forget what it's called. It's kind of ugly in real life. But Anyway, back to the Ghostbuster thing. So, I always open it up from the bottom, because sometimes there's like twist ties. So, yeah. I think we need a screwdriver. Well, while we're getting that apart, yeah, like this antelope. Wait, no, that's not an antelope. But there's like a whole bunch of these like Shopkins and like stuff in here. Cupcake, mustard, lime juice, blender, baby powder. Most every Shopkin I can think of is in there. So yeah. Oh. Anyway, guys, so which color car do you like better? Do you like the black Knight Rider? Oh, this is really cool. It's got like a back seat in there. Or do you guys like the green Jurassic Park one? Tell me in the comments. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, so I kind of like this black one more because it's kind of like not as fragile, and it's really slick. Cool. And they like both have like a lot of like windows-ish, you know. You know what I'm talking about? It's like this. See? And the second one that I showed was the Knight Rider one. The first one that I showed was the Jurassic Park one. You could probably figure that out because it's colors. But this one is kind of like you can like see the steering wheel. This one's got like windows that are closed so you can feel the steering wheel and the seats and everything. This one's really cool. I think that, I mean, I've said this, but I think I like this one. And because, oh, hey, here it is. I think I like this one the best though because the door actually, both of the doors on the side actually open. I think those are the only doors that open. Yeah, but still, that's really cool. And I mean, like, I like all the stuff that's on the thing. This is really cool, like the trunk. And if you like flip it, like you can see like parts of it pretty much. I like the like top. It looks like they like stole like a copmobile, whatever. And there's a ladder on the side. Now we got to race them all. Sorry, Shopaholic, you're not included. On your set. Go! Oh, the Jurassic Park one actually won. So, bye guys. If you guys like this video, please go to my TikTok account at 27Elizabeth. Yeah. Oh, and I would like to thank my dad because he sponsored this video. So, thank you, Dad.